Hey there, content creators and aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to destination for all things success on YouTube. Today, we've got something special for you. We're diving deep into the world of YouTube automation and how it can be your ticket to a stream of passive income. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. The allure of YouTube is undeniable. The freedom to express yourself, build a community, and even earn a living. But let's face it, creating consistent, engaging content can be time-consuming. This is where YouTube automation comes in, promising a smoother journey from creation to monetization. But how do you actually turn this YouTube automation dream into reality? Here are 7-step guide to making money with this exciting approach. Step 1. Niche down and automate content creation. To excel in content creation, begin by honing in on a niche, identifying a distinct audience and topic. Invest time in researching trending subjects, scrutinize competitor channels, and pinpoint an unexplored space where you can contribute unique and valuable content. This strategic approach lays the foundation for automation. Leverage cutting-edge tools such as Jarvis or Lumen 5, equipped with ad capabilities for script writing and video editing. These tools offer templates tailored to specific video genres like top 10 lists or explainer animations. Nevertheless, exercising quality control is paramount. Meticulously review and personalize the generated content to infuse it with your unique perspective. By amalgamating a targeted niche with automated tools, you not only streamline content creation but also ensure its resonance with your audience. This dynamic combination allows you to stay ahead in the competitive landscape of content production, positioning your brand or channel for sustained success. Step 2. Optimize for discoverability and engagement. Enhancing your presence on YouTube requires a dual focus on discoverability and engagement. The platform's algorithm favors videos with attention-grabbing titles, pertinent keywords, and visually appealing thumbnails. Elevate your content's visibility by delving into keyword research using tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to pinpoint optimal search terms. Ensure that your video titles, descriptions, and tags are finely tuned for search optimization. Crafting high-quality, compelling thumbnails through platforms like Canva is equally pivotal in attracting audience attention. Don't underestimate the power of engagement. Actively participate in your community by responding to comments, addressing queries, and hosting live streams. Building a robust rapport with your audience sends positive signals to the algorithm, signifying that your content is valuable and deserving of higher visibility. This engagement-centric strategy not only enhances your video views but also amplifies discoverability, positioning your content for broader reach and sustained success on the YouTube platform. Step 3. Master the art of monetization. YouTube presents diverse opportunities for earning income, and the beauty lies in the fact that automation allows you to explore multiple avenues simultaneously. Let's delve into 3 pivotal options. Option 1. AdSense. Once you reach the eligibility criteria of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube integrates ads into your videos. You then receive a portion of the revenue generated by viewers interacting with or clicking on these ads. It's a straightforward way to monetize your content and capitalize on your growing audience. Option 2. Affiliate marketing. This involves identifying products relevant to your content and incorporating affiliate links into your video descriptions. Each time a viewer makes a purchase through your provided link, you earn a commission. This method allows you to leverage your influence to drive sales and generate income beyond ad revenue. Option 3. Brand sponsorships. As your channel gains traction, brands may approach you for paid collaborations or product placements. When negotiating these deals, prioritize partnerships that align with your channel's values and offer genuine value to your audience. These sponsorships not only bring in revenue, but also enhance your credibility and expand your reach. By diversifying your income streams through AdSense, affiliate marketing, and brand sponsorships, you create a resilient monetization strategy that can adapt to the dynamic landscape of online content creation. Step 4. Schedule and publish like a pro. To maintain a professional content schedule and foster audience engagement and growth, leverage scheduling tools such as Later or Hootsuite. These platforms allow you to pre-schedule video releases, ensuring a continuous content flow even during hectic periods. Experiment with diverse upload times to gauge viewer response and analyze analytics meticulously. This data-driven approach will help you identify the optimal posting schedule, allowing you to strategically publish content for maximum audience engagement. By refining your posting strategy, you not only sustain consistency, but also enhance your reach and impact in the dynamic realm of online content creation. Step 5. Analyze and adapt. Dive into the treasure trove of YouTube analytics to glean valuable insights. Keep a keen eye on metrics such as views, watch time, and engagement. They unveil the secrets of your content's performance. Uncover trending topics, fine-tune your video length and style, and streamline your automation process, all guided by the wealth of data at your fingertips. This analytical approach empowers you to discern what resonates with your audience, enabling strategic adjustments for sustained growth. Embrace the power of information embedded in your analytics as it becomes the compass guiding you toward content that captivates, engages, and propels your channel to new heights. Step 6. Invest in the right tools and skills. Effective YouTube automation transcends mere setup. It necessitates investment in vital tools. Acquire robust video editors, leverage keyword research platforms, and implement scheduling software to streamline your content creation process. Beyond tools, delve into fundamental video editing, graphic design, and SEO skills. This multifaceted approach ensures personalized content that resonates with your audience and optimizes your channel's overall performance. By mastering these skills and utilizing sophisticated tools, you not only enhance efficiency but also cultivate a distinct, engaging channel that stands out in the vast landscape of online content, driving sustained growth and audience connection. Step 7. Be patient and consistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, even with automation. Don't get discouraged by slow initial growth. Focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and refining your monetization strategies. Consistency is key. Stick to your schedule, upload regularly, and keep adapting your approach based on data and feedback. Remember, YouTube automation is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. Combine it with dedication, creativity, and audience engagement to unlock the true potential of your channel and become a YouTube success story. Now, go forth and automate your way to YouTube success. And there you have it, the complete guide on how to make money with YouTube automation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. If you have any questions or want more in-depth tutorials, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating, keep automating, and most importantly, keep making that money. See you in the next one.